The world's billionaires list has been compiled by Forbes since 1987, and the top dog on earth has switched hands a great deal since its inception. In 1987, the world's richest person was a real estate investor named Yoshiaki Tsutsumi, head of the Seibu Corporation, earning a cool $20 billion, which would be about $44 billion in today's dollars. Compare that to today's richest person, Jeff Bezos, who is now worth $131 billion. His wealth shot up very fast, considering he wasn't even on the top 10 list in 2015, and became the world's richest person in 2018. For almost all of the 2000s and 2010s, the world's richest person was one of these three people: Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and Carlos Slim Helú. While Carlos Slim Helú reigned from 2010 to 2013, and Warren Buffett sneaked into the number one slot in 2008, the person who's been number one in the world for the longest has been Mr. William Gates III. The founder of Microsoft has remained number one on this list on and off since 1997. Before then, from 1991 to 1996, the top earners were the Walton family. Since, their wealth has been split up individually. The world's changed a lot since the 80s, or has it? See our full rankings by year for more.